This 2020 Jayco Melbourne 24K is a Class C RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2020 Jayco Melbourne 24K is built on a Mercedes 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.